In today's video, I'll show you how to create a WordPress website with HostGator using AI tools in just a few minutes. Whether you're brand new or simply want a quick setup, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HostGator.com. At the top right corner, click Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, sign up first. Otherwise, log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the HostGator home interface. Click on Websites to open your website management options. Next, click on Settings. This area gives you configuration tools to manage key features of your site. Inside Settings, find the Advanced option and click it. Then, click Manage to open the advanced controls for your hosting account. Scroll down until you see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. This tool automates the installation process. Click Install and the wizard will guide you. Now, fill in the details, your site name, a short description, the admin username, and a strong password. Choosing a secure password is important to protect your site. When everything looks good, click Install again. Softaculous will handle the rest, setting up your WordPress website in just a few moments. And that's it. You've created your WordPress site with HostGator AI. From here, you can start customizing your theme and building content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.